Hi guys, it's Ms.Keyshauna, and today we're going to make marshmallow slime. You are going to need a microwavable bowl, some coconut oil, marshmallows of course, flour, and some food coloring if you want. Then you want to take your marshmallows and put 2 handfuls inside of your bowl. Like this, and then microwave for 30 seconds. I'm gonna microwave for 30 seconds. This is what it looks like straight out of the microwave. You're gonna need a spatula and a spoonful of coconut oil to make it a little bit easier to stir. I'm gonna drop my coconut oil in there. And now I'm going to mix it. Now this is a time where you can add a little bit of the food coloring if you want it to be a certain color. I'm going to add a few drops of blue in there before I finish stirring it. One more. Now I'm going to finish stirring this up. Now I'm going to add a little bit of flour. It's about a half a cup. I'm not going to add it all at once. Now the next step is to make sure you have clean hands so you can take the slime out and knead it with your hands. Okay guys, I put flour on my hand, so now it's not sticking to my hand so much, and this is how our slime came out. If it's still getting sticky, then just roll it around in some more flour. Here's our slime, guys. If you guys try to make this at home with your parents, make sure you take pictures so I can share them with the class.